Hi, Paul here from OEM Audio, showing you just how to connect to CarPlay on a BTN 450. With all our devices, the CarPlay comes from the rear of the device, and your installer should have fitted a little USB. In this case, we've fitted a USB. Now the cable, we recommend that you use either a genuine cable or cable that is capable of conducting data as well as charging, because you need to send a signal on the data. Just simply with Apple CarPlay, you plug your phone in the first time, you unlock your phone either by a pin. CarPlay illuminates on the dash, touch CarPlay, and you're in. You swipe across to all your apps you've downloaded, your audio box, your Spotify, phone, and you can send and receive messages via voice. Now you can either say, "Hey Siri," which will activate it, cancel.
Just a sec. Please use your car's controls to adjust the temperature.
Okay. Siri's not perfect, as we gathered from that. Or you can actually press the button there to activate play Spotify.
Now playing Daily Mix 3 from Spotify.
And you're away from there. And the same works on the Google Assistant. If you were to say, "Hey Google," the same control can work from there. So that's just a shortcut. You can just press that little button there and your voice control comes along. I advise you to practice and get the hang of it, because it's a very good, safe feature to use. You can send and receive text messages and you never even look at the screen. Hey, so thanks for watching another one of our videos. You can obviously subscribe to us on our channel, or you can view us at oemaudio.co.nz, or give us a call on 0508 636 283.